Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a triple unboxing that I want to share. So let's get started. Let's open this small box first. This is their holiday packaging, looks like. And here's the flower. Oh, and the receipt. So let's open this first. Booklet. Okay, so here it is. It is an earrings. You can see that there's the CC logo. It has leather and crystals together. I like the size. It's not too big and it's not too small. Just the perfect size for me. There, it's so pretty. Love it. Okay, let me just wear it. And I will show you how it looks on me. Okay, next one is this. You probably know what it is because of the box size. So here's the booklet, 2 dust bags, so here it is. This is my first Chanel Espadrilles, and the color is navy blue and white with quilting design. And here's the bottom. And I got my regular size, which is size 8. I love espadrilles in general. They look chic, classy, and comfy. You can style this with any outfit. Can't wait to wear this for spring and summer. Let's see how it looks inside. Oh, there. Made in Spain. Okay. Put this on the side. So this one I already unboxed because I want to use this for Christmas, but I will insert a unboxing video. Here it is. This is my first classic Chanel bag. And the size is small. This is in the Caviar leather with light gold or champagne hardware. And this is from the 20C Cruise collection. The current collection. This is how it looks on the side and back. There. So inside, it's a double flap. And this is made in France. So there's two small compartments, one lipstick holder, and there's also a compartment here in front where I usually put my phone. I chose the small size because I only carry my essentials. It is the right size to fit everything I need. This red color looks gorgeous on this size, and the red looks like a bright red or like a red orange. This is not an everyday bag for me. I will only use this for special occasions. My favorite aspect of the bag is the strap. It can be worn double up or as a single strap. So like this. I prefer to wear mine as a single strap. Yeah, I love it so much. I like the color. And I'm so happy to add this in my collection. Let's do a quick modeling shot of this bag. I love to accessorize my bag and I love this pearl so much. It elevates my Chanel bags. I bought this from Etsy and I will put the link down below where I bought it in case you're interested. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye! Happy New Year!